Hey guys, what's happening? How to clear iCloud storage on iPhone. So go ahead to the settings and then click your name at the top, and then you're gonna see right here iCloud. Go ahead and press, right? You're gonna click the storage right here at the top, right? So I'm gonna click the storage or to manage storage, and you're gonna be able right to see each and every app that takes space on your iCloud. You can start with your iCloud photos and go turn off and delete photos if you don't need them. Okay, and go ahead also to WhatsApp Messenger, and you can delete data from the iCloud to release some storage. Same goes for mail, right? And as you can see right here, I have 97 megabytes, so it doesn't consume a lot. I'm gonna go to the health and just disable and remove data if you don't need the health app. Okay, same goes, right? You could go ahead and start deleting and turning off the apps that you don't delete the apps you don't need on your iCloud. Okay, so I'm gonna click the storage right here, and the same goes for voice memos too, and continue to disable those apps, including the backups right here if you want to, delete some of the data there. So goes with Copilot AI. Just delete the data from iCloud, and basically you're gonna release some of the unnecessary data from within the app. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Do not forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching.